Hi everyone, today we are going to learn new words starting with letter H and build the vocabulary. So let's get going. Hair means the long fine thing that grows on the head. The girl has long black hair. Hall means a large room where people get together for meetings or shows. The teacher is speaking to the pupils in the school hall. Hammer means a tool that is used to hit nails into wood. A hammer has a very heavy metal head and a handle. Hand means the part of your body that is in the end of your arm. A hand has 4 fingers and 1 thumb. Happy means feeling pleased and good about something. The girl is happy because she won a prize. Happy birthday means what you say to someone on his or her birthday. Happy New Year means what you say to someone at the start of a new year. Hat means a covering for the head. The farmer wears a hat with a wide brim to keep the sun out of his eyes. Hard means not soft, does not break easily. A rock is hard. Head means the top part of the human body. There's a beetle on Emily's head. Hair means to get sounds with the ear. I hear the sound of a drum. Heavy means not light. The bucket of water is too heavy for the boy to carry. Heel means the rounded back part of your foot. I hurt my heel when it fell down. Helicopter means a type of aircraft. A helicopter does not have wings, but it can fly. Hello means a greeting. When you answer the telephone, you should say hello. Help means to make it easier for somebody to do something. Billy is helping his father to bake a cake. Hen means a female chicken. The hen has just laid an egg. Hibiscus means a plant or bush which has big, brightly colored flowers. My father planted hibiscus last year. High means far above the ground. The eagle is flying high in the sky. Hill means a small mountain. The house is on top of the hill. Hole means an opening in something. There's a hole in my shirt. Homework means work given by teacher to be done at home. Ben is doing the homework his teacher gave him. Hoop means a large ring. The child is playing with a hoop. Home means the place where you live. The girl goes home after school. Honey means a sweet food made by bees. I like eating honey on my pancakes. Hoof means the hard part of the foot of some animals. Cows and Horses have hooves. Horn means the hard pointed part of the heads of some animals. Goats, deers, cows, and sheep have horns. Horse means a large animal with 4 legs, long thick hair on its neck, and a tail. The horses are grazing the grass. Hot means not cold. The coffee is hot. House means a building in which people live. I live in a big house. How means in what way? How do you make a kite? Huge means very big. A whale is a huge animal. Hungry means needing something to eat. The baby is crying because he is hungry. Hut means a very small house. There was a wooden hut in the forest. That's all for now in this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you want to know what goes behind the scenes, join my Instagram littlehearts_superkids. See you until next time.